Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how an employee makes a request, such as a vacation, personal time off, bereavement, etc. When logged in as an employee, select My Requests from the left menu bar. The My Requests view displays the entitled vacation days for the fiscal year for the respective employee. It indicates the accrued vacation days. If this setting is set to accrue for the organization. If any vacation days were used, the number will be higher than 0. The vacation days available is the result of subtracting vacation days used from accrued vacation days, when this setting is set to accrue for the company. If vacation days are not set to accrue in the organization, then vacation days available is the result of subtracting vacation days used from entitled vacation days for the fiscal year. When making a request, click the Make a Request button. In the subsequent request entry dialog, select the request type such as vacation day. Then proceed to select the dates you would like off in the Select Dates calendar. These dates will then appear in the Selected Dates section. If you need to make a correction or make the date a half-day allocation for a selected date, select the row. Then click Edit. Make the changes. Then click Update. If it's an incorrect date, select the row. Then click Delete. Then reselect the correct date. Enter any notes in the comments field. Note: for vacation request type, if you select more than is available, you will get a message indicating so when clicking the Submit button. After clicking the Submit button, click OK to confirm to send the request to your manager, which, in addition to seeing this request in the EAM Service app, will also get an email notification of the request. The newly created request will be initially presented as a card view, detailing the request type, status of the request, when it was sent, and the first couple of requested dates if more than one. You can toggle the card view to a list view if you prefer, by checking the box Toggle List View, which you can also search if you have many request types, such as the request type, approval status. You can also sort ascending or descending by a column field by selecting it as a toggle. The default list displays all requests regardless of status. Checking the Pending Requests option will display only the pending requests. You can edit a request by clicking the Edit section on the card view. Or the line on the list view. Note: you cannot resubmit an approved request. But only cancel it when none of the requested days are in the past. Canceling a request will remove it from the EAM system and update the vacation days fields if the request type was a vacation. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.